No. Maki! You know what I mean? You see Maki, you see my whole Africa.
For a long time, 5 years.
Some stomping grounds now. I'm a bush man out for siblings. Cement plant things and right there, sir. Whole family. Angelina live over there, so you know. Yeah, so Angelina, I think you're right there, so around this.
Angelina?
Yeah, she did.
Oh, she did?
Yeah, this mission house are all one, you know.
Oh.
So them used to have the bands and everything, and grandmother used to do the mission.
Yeah.
So this is it.
Yeah.
You have to always go back to where you come from.
That's a real thing, man. I don't know where I come from, you know. I can't know where I come from. That's a mobile.
Yeah, man. Look at this. Welcome to the original house of the Randy. This is my grandmother's shop. This is the house we were all born in. This is our house. This is the tank. I fell in that tank. We used to sit on here, and corn used to be here. It's my grandmother's shop. We used to walk here barefooted, look over the mountains when we wake up in the morning. 12, how much picnic shop? 13 children, one died. His name was Bertram. So this is it. And the man look like so them are herbalists. You're not herbalist no, I'm the real herbalist.
I deal with. Show me that. The flowers bring the place to life.
Yes. So just stand up over there, sir. Stand up over there, sir.
Over here, so.
Anyway. On the towel. Yo. Let me take it. Come on, man.
So you're not tall too, man?
That me I say.
But no, on the tall and healthy.
Kitchen.
Up on the man there, man. Yes. Mama house. Yes, I really feel good. Yeah, this is my family. Right now we're there now. You know, I said, this is my real family, people. Africa, Botswana, people want some family in Nigeria.
Oh, so you visit them places?
No, I have friends.
Oh.
But them always want to say, well, I want to see a picture of your family. You see me, but...
Ton family man, no.
See me there, Baba Kevin. I'm kind of fat, you know, Lord
Yeah,
God.
you know, say you're belly big man. Why am I the one?
They're a big man. Jamaica, see there, are the egg that's, you know, organic. Right now, then they have the egg. Then the way I say, as far as we get the egg from,
Yeah.
this is Randy for Save Jamaica. I bring it up on the journey, you know. Manchester now, where we don't know. I take my refresh, you see me? Organic are the best egg in the world, that right there, so.
Let me show you.
We're going to fry that up, you know.
That's the one. I'll give you. Egg.
Show with the egg, Dennis. Show with the egg.
I'll give you an egg.
See there.
Eat
Give them an egg.
I'll give you an egg.
So I go crack that. The most orange. Best
yellow.
egg in the world.
Egg white.
Yeah.
I eat about it.
Now let's church. Welcome back to the show. I see you there with the Jamaican people and as I try to teach them. What you doing there with the aloe vera?
I make a medicine for cough. Put bust this in too.
A medicine for cough?
What's the do?
Just use it on a bus, you know. You don't have to take knife. Just pop it in the middle, yeah, so. No, man. Just bust it in, yeah, so.
So you just drink it, Baba?
Aye. Watch when it a G, you know.
So what the yellow thing?
Not that it come from Syria, but it come from down the road. See, at this there is so much drink and it tap the coughing. That's Christ, but you know bitter.
You have to put some sugar in it, Baba?
No, sir. No sugar.
Alright, Baba, be a man about it. Yeah, Baba, right now you act like a school girl. You have
No,
to drink
sir.
the thing, man.
I'm not talking about no school girl thing. Watch it. Alright, wait a minute.
You mean say, Baba, a 3 aloe vera I'd use for just
See
one
that?
little spoon?
No man, no bother with that. No bother with that. You want know? When me pop the aloe vera up, so and the yellow one, you see, at that terrace if you drink, you know. You see the yellow one that we say a drip off it?
Mm-hmm.
I think it's if you drink. Just take 1 spoon and catch it off it, so. But when me I come down look a while, liquor did drain down on my finger and I put it on my tongue. God, Almighty God.
Baba,
If you know where it going with down in my throat.
you might faint in a no matter.
Why if me drop down more and tap the coffee.
Alright, Baba.
See they know.
Put some honey on it.
No, I no honey pon it. Now I drink it now what?
It's
Now
a,
what?
a real man thing, this.
I drink it. Man.
Because
Then you go feel the sugar can come. Because as me throw in my mouth, me throw the local sugar back at it. I drink it, man, because it will tap the coffee, man. A bitters this, you know. It kill the coal, you know. So the coal can't ride the bitters. Because the coal sweet and this are bitters. So the coal can't pass the bitters. Anything named bitters.
You say Jesus yet?
Jesus Christ.
You say Jesus? Papa, you say Jesus?
If I find the territory if you drinking, I'm there and I want to drink it.
I'm gonna give some water now.
Now I show it to you in my mouth.
Or you just want to give
Yeah, the sugar cool it down, man. Yeah, right now, man. Me drink bitter. My boy, 2 of them they are drinking now.
You boil 2?
Yeah. But me ready, me cut up 2 of them and put on it with sorosy and white top jack in it.
Why?
It clean out cold out of your system.
Okay.
If your body have cold. You see how the belly there now?
Yeah.
If me boil a pot and give you never left her with a big belly. You broke it right down.
Yeah?
No mas.
So
This.
You know for boil
If me
a pot
boil a
for me
pot
now?
of this give you now with some sorosy and one bush way out this so they call it white top jack in it.
Then you gonna set me up then. I cleanse me, come to cleanse, Baba.
cleanse you,
Look
I
on me-
cleanse.
Look on my big belly.
Alright, I can give you something.
Set me up, man. Me a man, you know, me can
Bro-
take it.
It broke down your belly right down to flatten.
Me can take it, Baba. Set
You
me
know
up.
say you can manage it.
What you mean, man? Me a champion. Hey.
I open time me boil you.
Me drink it, man. Me a man. Me man up. Suck it up.
It broke down your belly right down to 0.
Yes. Thank you, Baba.
To your man.
Like I broke down the world's stomach.
I broke. I'll get a good pot of it. last week, man.
In the evening.
Never go. A Thursday, go.
Why I'm never go?
Hmm? They say, they ask if you never do, you gin on?
No, sir.
Okay, water come, man. Come on, it's still short.
What is that? I don't know you.
You know, Mas, that's what is, man.
Then you never did come up there one time we go have a little sit down and we there tell a story. Him did that, eh?
I don't remember. Upper hill.
Yeah.
I remember if what is there.
Family.
A pallet, if you call pallet Antina.
Okay.
Pallet up so.
I'm so glad for the year, man. I'm so glad for so now. You know somebody have to come visit you.
You not take no medication? No, take the care of man.
Baba, so what fruit about?
Orange up ahead, you know?
With Swiss Hill?
Up there, sir.
Yeah?
I'm just there, I say, boy, I can't manage everything one time, man. You see, now I'm making them go pick orange. System.
So how much the planting sell for, really?
It sell for $40 a pound, but like, oh, they ripe up here now $50, a finger, $40, a finger, that's it.
Yeah, so how many years on our farm?
We are farm from we are picking, man. So I say we're born in a yam ground, you know. Not farming, you know.
What are the things on the farm? Yam, what?
Banana, cocoa, peas, corn,
Coffee.
coffee.
Have a good drink of coffee video later. Part 1. I'm going to give 2 quarter coffee to for Marlin too. And I want to stop Marlin.
You have to patch, you know.
No, man, I'm not
You
party,
pass
man. They're mat up there, let me give them mat when they come ready for you know.
How we are saying? On the foreign taco.
Yes, that ain't gonna find the matter.
How where the can bring up in it at time?
I see, man.
What is that time Miss Finley van crash?
No, what else, sir?
Eh?
Me what else? Me say Miss Finley son running out in a shan car back. Much of a field car.
Then no crash it
What's
out.
up for Miss Finley car?
No, I'm thinking about them. I have a blue car, black white blue car.
What are you pushing at him?
Roxy, that's Roxy boy.
Java.
Never know any name, sir.
So what time when I wake up in the morning for farm? How the farming thing I work out down there? When I sell out of work?
Right, price bad, man. But we have to still go and fight. Like we're growing.
Sometimes it's good,
Sometimes it's good.
That's it.
Sometimes it's bad. It don't come like you with that fine. You say if you have a job, even if they ain't tap you pay tomorrow, man, you still have to go. What go pay your bill if you don't go? What go send the picking in school? What go buy your dinner? You think say you can't get up gas up every day go trust? So if they even come and see a $20 pound for you, and you have to still sell it. Me mean Jamaican dollar, you know. If they come and see a $10, you have to sell. If they come and see $100, you laugh and you say you catch them.
So the yam prices move from what to what
From
over the
one
years?
stage to another stage.
Like
Sometimes it's up
5 years ago, what was the yam price per pound?
40 and 30 and 50 and 60, not true?
It a come down
And
now?
70. No, man, it a go up now.
Go up now. But it don't stabilize.
But it can't stabilize.
Stabilize. Like
But
problem.
Uncle think said this year is a good year because
Good
they are
year.
100 now.
100, it go up to
Up
230.
Today.
Yeah, man, they don't all yesterday.
How much? How much?
105.
$105 a pound?
100 Jamaican dollar, you know?
Yeah.
Nah, $5.
So that's about near $1 US per pound.
About $1
You
US.
know, so you ain't gone up.
So
Let's say $1 US, but 70 at 10.
No, sir, it ain't go 130 too.
It did go 130, you know, but they drop it for winter now.
I'm still alive.
So we still alive. The only thing you have to do, you have to plan enough for your man. Then if you have enough for him now. But you see, sometimes the money if you plan enough for him, you can't find it.
You can't make it agree if you have money for me.
If you plan enough ground,
If you have money.
you have to have a bucketive.
Bucketive.
Like you know, say, sir, you need that money to help you dig yam, cut yam stick.
And jam
But-
yam stick.
And jam yam stick, like you can imply 2 and 3 man with you.
You can imply.
Yeah, you can apply yam
If
and make money.
If you can apply 3 months for the week, you're good.
You're good.
But sometimes you can't apply for the one.
That thing for the month. You can't hire a
That's
man.
the problem.
The black one, every day,
Skadong man gone.
March. You can't watch March,
can't
man.
watch
Any
March,
man.
man.
You
March
can't
man,
talk about
man.
any man there, man. I show them man, the Sony, I mean, man.
March by the money.
Why you match him have a Brenda Hill, you can't walk out, they ain't going in, man.
Right.
So if you guys had each vans, if you had a van,
Yeah.
it would be a
Better business.
Yes, man. I work on 100%.
You work out. That's how you don't make money
You
at
make
a ground.
money at that time.
Because the man, I'm going to tell me, say,
Cause if we are going to pick up one, so we dig out 500 and 2,000. We can't get okay.
you see what the man, you're the brother from Malta and tell me, say, he said, Mr. Bennett, if you want to see money in a year,
You tell me that too.
plant 500 in a year, man, make it on the ripe and dig it up, my God. That's how much money you make.
Up
To
time.
when you sell me the 500, yeah.
That's true, man. So
So you see how much money he might make off of you?
Yeah,
At
man.
least $60,000 he might make off of you when you dig a 500
What time fear, you know,
or
man?
$70,000
But
he make off of your money.
at least you tell the truth.
You tell me the truth.
What
How
the other
much
man
man I
do?
gonna tell you that?
Not
You know that.
Because when you say a man want 200, want 2,000, I mean, if you don't carry 2,000, I'm going to go at least 40, 50,000 I make off of you if you check out, you know.
More than that, man.
More than that, you know.
More than that, man. Make up fight, man. What time we are talking about, man? And them are we.
Ah,
Eh?
my way 130 pounds, 135 pounds in my way.
And them are then
And them I get pay for select, them I get pay for carry go.
and that city if I say 130, 20 them I take from them down there.
No, man. It's zero risk. It's back zero risk. Now we.
So you guys need vehicles.
Yeah, but a vehicle good, man.
A vehicle you want.
A vehicle good to go.
About
No,
2,000 US can buy a vehicle.
No must, man.
That's how I
So
told
all this time, one never just save and buy one.
What how you going to save? You can't save.
you. No, you're you, the guys.
If you don't
You
have
think if he save, he say, yo, one man that foreign and he want to buy a car and they take him all 5 years to buy a car. Because it might be a $200
So
a week.
why the bank can give you a loan against your property?
No, it's the 200,000 I really not go buy one good van we want. The 20,
If the
200
bank will give
US.
you a loan, you
The
see.
200 US. That can't buy a good van out there.
200,
No.
200,000.
That's a 200 and
Thousand, so that it
200
can't
and
buy.
30,000.
You have to think about all 500,000 by one nice go pick up one because you're going.
Mhm.
Okay.
And plus much for life now.
Like 5,000 US dollar can buy a good one. No, but if
Yeah.
still if you have 2,000 US, if you have 2,000 US and you're lodging at the bank, you see,
Mm-hmm.
they will give you a guarantee loan for that.
Understand?
No man, if you're a businessman, if you can calculate out your business and you lodge 2,000 US dollar in the bank, the bank will give you a loan for that.
So he
What?
buy, he
You
will
buy the van, give you, but you have to have a good
No,
plan to
can't
show
pay.
him, say, well, then all
But
right.
the money I buy, it was 2,000 but
Yeah, you can't try.
You can't draw that, no.
You
That's
work
going to be
hard
the guarantee if you
you
get for
work
him
hard
loan.
finish pay.
So you
So you
say,
can bring 3,000 and get a loan for
yeah,
two.
yeah man.
Like a union.
Yeah man.
Yeah, yeah.
If even credit union, you know if you had that amount. If you have 60, 70,000 dollars in a credit union, then buy a vehicle gear.
And that's all you need.
Mm-hmm.
Give 1,000 and then you go get something on it.
If you
Yeah.
in a credit union, now, I then give you a long guaranteed loan for 8 years.
Yeah, we have got we have to
And you will pay that off in no time.
The loan for 8 years.
Yes.
So you have 8 years to pay them. Maybe 500,000-600,000 dollars. Where you can make in a
When
1
you
year.
put your money at credit union,
Mm-hmm.
you go no interest more so.
No most man.
You go, I bet
And I really the
farmer's
interest
bank
a farmer's bank.
A
If you
farmer's
if you there, so now if me want a vehicle now, and me could have put one $200,000 in a credit union. Me could have buy a truck man. But me now make up that amount of money one time. And that's a problem in say you don't make 200,000, but you don't make it one
now.
time.
Make you one time, little.
A little you get it and so it come in, so it go in. You don't have to get somebody now and say, all right, you want me I go give you, I go do a thing for you. I go lend you that money and you do a business with it. And within 2 years you give me back. A man, you lend you money until you say 3 months you give him back or 6 months. You can't work out. You have to have your head by your body. You see what I say? Cause after when you give the money and you say 3 months time, that time you have never run out good.
No, sir.
Why you guys ever think about using PVC pipes with wires as your yam stick?
No, we are yam tick in a bush, man. We no short a yam tick, man.
You could stick like this.
We no short a yam tick, man. See yam tick, man.
Bigger than that too, man.
And we cut bigger than that too. Because we have yam stick, you know. We not like Chilani, man, them we no have yam stick. We have yam stick. But since we can meet the bush, I cut yam stick, we cut more 800 yam stick and I one.
So, but it's more work.
No, man. No more work. We better for we.
So when you have your yam stick, them last for how long?
2 years.
2 years.
And 1 year.
But the PVC pipe lasts forever.
No, sir.
You take too much money.
That money in the rich man pocket. And we the poorest. So go, for at the end of the day, suppose you have 1 2 man in the community when you work. big up. You can't call them and say God should cut 200 and take for you. You give him $6,000. But when you go man, if you go buy PPC, the rich man are richer and the poor are poorer.
So yeah, sir.
Because you have the money in your community we do.
But them last for 2 years.
Yeah man, that last year 3 years.
And then you use them.
You say if you cut it when
So
the
them
moon
grow
full?
back, grow back often?
Yeah man, as you cut out your time woodland, you grow back. Because the more you cut the
How long it
woodland,
take
the
for
more the
grow?
woodland get.
How long will this take for grow?
Yeah.
You might not go again.
No man.
But like, no.
Understand what the man said? Without 2-3 years, them they grow back man.
You go down woodland field 2 years, come back, you can open your
Okay.
You cut it, the more you go down cut it, the more you go.
More you grow.
Faster.
Because anyway, you cut off that stem is spring tree, panny.
But you're probably, if you're not cut in the woodland, have be a big tree turn up in
Turn up in there.
there.
So you have to cut the woodland and clean the woodland. And when you go in there, cut it and because you cut all the wisdom, they take up
If
the
you want
tree.
to stick like this and this a year, next year go there.
A big empty.
Stick like this and still.
Ah.
You see that 1 year time back
Me
and see
and
woodland.
my woodland have a bush over that the side to bush, right? And for 2 years now, I no go in. Because I could plant this aside for this 2 years. And like I said, see the ground tail, so and by the time I get this, I cut 100 and because I clean it and left it.
Some
So
man kill woodland.
No, man.
No, you have to clean woodland,
No,
man.
man. Let me clean my woodland, you know, when you go through my woodland, then you can run through enough for me to
So
cut the
now
waste.
anybody cut yam stick anywhere they want?
No,
Or-
man.
So your land, you have to cut it pan?
No, really, you're
really
like, you
want
can't
to-
just must spend a man place a bit enough for like some years so now. We have it inland, so Otis have it in there, so. Me have it in there, so. Me cut 2 yantic pan for Otis place, me cut 2 pan for this man place.
But we did talk about this place when we come
Yeah,
in
man,
last
yeah,
time.
man.
Yeah, you did talk.
And they don't move far you left there.
You know, move.
No, sir. When you
Baba,
take
that
the
is
seven, I
really
will
the
take
next
him
project, you know, Baba. That is the project.
You see that meeting house there?
More turns into a library for the kids then.
Yes, man.
Every time you have taxi, you go build up a place and you know.
Yes,
Me,
that.
me just did a bit up myself.
Yo, me I say you for the next 20 years, tell me how.
I just shall give
And
this
that
one.
nah to me again. But any money where you give me a coach.
Alright, now worry yourself, man.
You say before you tell me that they tell me more than we are can't sleep. You say,
Scale and rope, OJ.
you know say me lose $1,000 so easy.
I'll get you back, man. I'll gain back that.
The Lord you provide, brother Baba.
The Lord have provided long time, you see me how you manage. I say,
Adapt me, I say.
Where stick there? Where stick there?
I feel them idea.
Baba, them.
you make yourself put everything for the box and this about
Not sure one way you want, Nick.
Hmm?
Take out a piece. Castle, castle,
One put a
castle.
piece of it in the inside the box.
One back, okay. Just stand here and I boss collect same time.
No, man, I don't really give money I probably know. Hey, wait, hold on. No, hold on.
Working man, go up on you. Come away from me,
Hold on, no move it.
110.
How much you weigh, Coy?
110, 140.
Not make it about, make it about.
You want to pass the net?
Go back up again, Mayo. Go back up again.
Ah, get on, man, get on, man.
Good
Get on, man.
See me? A 140.
Now, by young family, I have a knee. So, we know who's going to be there. Yo, if you take out your way, it will be a 10 pound you call it 5.
You can scale back out.
Eh? I'll let you tell you what is? Oh.
That's what not we like by first time. No, I'm telling you, coffee. I'm telling you, coffee. I'm going to put my coffee. I'm more than work out. No, but at the back street, that kill me. That's the way work out. I mean, I go lose. It's a bit of coffee. It's like a way to. I'm going to lose.
Conti money, Baba, Conti! You still say go on?
Una Baba bring all them yam, man. Baba one bring. Panny made?
Yeah.
A one bag, one crocus bag? Two panny made?
One at a time.
Seriousness that.
Eh?
Real Jamaica.
Every time I say I go, I go easy today.
Can you must think I'll go one kind of farm? Buy the big one then. This is one of the one we like that. You see the liquid in the file where you talk to by a Christian? Me go tell Mr. Blackwood go buy. And it don't last me not even two. You see this file? See me buy with the machete and the sharp, the machete and the still out.
They don't know use.
So you know what you tell me say?
You see, the little one there? Me buy the back Christian and last year.
The little one them not no use.
This is my kind of you.
I'm a god I hate you.
What you buy? Then they see one buy.
No, a different file is. A different file is.
No man.
No, sir.
They used to also white one without the plastic, you know.
No, sir.
And they had with the plastic.
A whole heap of different brand of them they have.
I could buy
A whole heap of different brand of
When
them.
me say the
You see by the time some Blackwood, they know about Jesus Christ. You see what you want to tell me say? You want to tell me say they might make the file with less board because they put a good board pan in a sell enough.
I could buy that.
But the little file on them, that's the sharp me done.
Unless they trade, but at the end used to be the good buy.
They used to, but when you feel notice with the file, you know, when you feel notice with the file, you know, anytime you buy the file, man,
No good, man.
just rub your hand pan it, so. The board flat. Anyhow, you now rub your finger in hand, no board pan it. And the board rub in the file good enough. Not you, sir.
When they better than the first one you have in your white one when you have no use.
So, me buy you a fresh and I have one under when never have no use.
Yeah,
I do rub it, but you get back them you kind of know.
Good.
But they don't.
You have one there, one under like this.
You know good, man. I buy one. You know good, man. Me have one.
Dead steel in them,
Me
man.
buy one. Me I try if you good. I could find one.
You can find one man. They will be the best fight.
I'm not going to
Me buy
buy.
last two. Me buy out black with them.
I'm not going to buy. But me I watch.
I don't black with buy. Livestock me to buy.
Let's buy one. I'm black.
What you need for help yourself? You need clothes, food, what you need?
I can't explain to you that now. The only thing I need right now is some money.
Money for the what? What do you need money for?
Then we use the money buy what we want.
Okay. But what is it you want?
Same thing we use to our
Food.
food.
Clothes.
I should me come and buy some leather, me buy some so and so. But tells you upstairs, you know, and probably the clothes come in some different clothes. Probably the food come as some different food, but if you get the money and buy your food, just know. See if you answer me.
How old is now, man?
62 now.
62? You feel good? Strong?
Yeah, man.
Them never sting you yet?
No more, so. No trouble.
How's your health?
Eh?
How's your health? Your health good?
The health?
Mm-hmm.
Not so bad at all, sir. Not so bad.
What you need? What things you need?
Things me need, anything at all me get me eat and drink.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Them take care of you?
One go around with a Margaret.
But is there anything you need special? Food?
Yes, man. Me eat food, man.
You need
Yam, man.
Yeah.
Dumpling, banana, rice. You know. Make much of everything we get. Give thanks to God, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Alright, then I'll talk to him. We'll see you later, yeah? I'm gonna come look for you.
I know I remember this brethren for long years now. Long years now. Long years now. Long years now. Me there, man, and I say, boy, I can't fit over life. Life are the greatest. You know? So I pray to God for life. I pray to Him for anything. Life. And Within the life, me get a really good thing.
Yes.
Get a really good thing. The family them help me out. Then send a shilling, come give me in food, clothes. So, see. I go a doctor last week before last. Go take a checkup. 10 years after the foot cut, me never go. And I wasn't feeling so bright, so take a checkup. The doctor, 2 doctors, charged me $9,000. And the medication never in there. Anyway, it was a help from medical family them then help me send the money come and the doctor said if you take a test, cost $27,000. So I send go and tell them, say well then the doctor said if you take a test. I can't give you no idea of what's wrong with me. But I don't feeling sick that I would have lay down in a bed or anything, you know, but me not feeling so strong like, you know, when the foot did cut coming up and I'm 8 years, I'm do a really good thing where it's around here, me do. So I said I don't know if sitting down on the bottom for the 10 years for cold me catch and then it kind of make me get, you know, not so strong again like first time. But me still don't lay down in a bed, say me sick in a bed, you know. No, don't sick in bed.
So now, let me ask you. So, the girl would take care of you. Tell me about her.
I don't know if you don't know her, Margaret. Margaret.
How's your vision?
Eh?
How's your vision?
The vision?
Yeah. Can you see good?
Yes, man. You mean the eyesight?
Yeah.
Yeah,
How old
man.
are you now?
85.
85.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
85. 1930. 1930. Yes, man. Me can read. Can read.
Still read the Bible?
Yeah, man. Me read, man. Me read. And when the people then pass the witnesses and Adventists and whatsoever society then give me a pamphlet or anything, me read and, you know, take care of what them say. Because you have experience, man, you know. Wise man. So, the sight, no, not do me sight, man. Me alright. It's on with the foot. It's on with the foot.
No
It's
pain.
set-
No,
so me-
you don't have no pain.
No, man. Me not tell you. I know me go to the doctor and him say me have to take a test. For him can't tell me exactly if anything goes wrong, why I don't feel so strong. So me say, alright. Me I wait on pan the family, you see. And now me just a come to the remembrance, you know. When you used to take all the picture of my goat and you see it and now me I come back to the remembrance, you know. Yes, I used to take all the picture of my goat and yes, yes, man.
No, you remember now. Yes. In the mountains. Now you kind of get it now. Why am I come back and visit?
Yes, man.
Yes.
Yes. And this
And the reasoning of the mountains.
we go on up,
Yes.
Oliana, you remember?
Yes. Now you remember now. Yes.
Yes, man.
So it's a good development since then.
Yes, man.
And I have your picture in my house now. Yes.
Oh, great.
It's the right on my door.
As you enter, you see.
Yes. Someone knows the blessings, the preservation of yourself exists. You see me?
Yes.
People over the world know them see you.
Yes, man.
You know.
Yes, man.
So I don't want them to see the elders.
God be praised, my brethren.
Yes.
God be praised.
Yes.
Give you strength and health and life.
Yes.
That you come back and see me in life.
Yes.
Yes.
That's the key.
Yeah.
Because when I come back, I said, no, it's one man I have to come see.
Yes, man. And many pastors and gone left me, you know, my brethren. Whole heap. I say, plenty more people out there I come back and see me alive. Because them don't know says God is the key. Yes, man. Give your life you live, man. Give your life
So
you
in
live.
the daytime you go out and you walk out.
Yes, sometimes, you know, what really happen, me have a hand walker and me have a crutch. Sometimes me use the crutch,
Mm-hmm.
kind of blister the arm, so me mostly now use the hand walker.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Walk up on the road and come back off.
Yeah.
Come
So when does she come and she cook for you?
You mean the daughter?
Yeah.
She come, like this morning bring tea and during 4:32, I even say up to 5, she come with dinner. She look both clothes and the house, see me.
Mm-hmm.
And she wash, clean the house. One next daughter live round there, so,
Mm-hmm.
so she keep the yard clean.
Just bring.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So
Yes.
I have to bring a drink for me. Yeah.
You see, so see how I do it, you know. I take time after having my meal,
Yeah.
I take a drink,
Yeah.
you see.
Yeah.
But it is a dangerous thing, you know.
Yeah.
But you use not to dispute.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So the love must carry for the earthly people. The earth is the Lord and the fullness thereof,
Mm-hmm.
and the world and they that dwell therein.
Mm-hmm.
So we wouldn't have no idea of going to heaven.
Mm-hmm.
Because everything is here.
Mm-hmm.
The tree of life,
Mhm.
the river of life,
Mhm.
and everything that we need.
Mm-hmm.
Remember him make man, you know, sir,
Yes, sir.
out of his own likeness, dust to clay,
Mm-hmm.
to the breath of life.
Mm-hmm.
So we would need to go to heaven, for him is there with us. You see? You hear one man in our wise and say, where is he that is born the king of the Jews? The king of the Jews, him never knows how Mary and Joseph are going to get that picnic.
Mm-hmm.
And it born into a lonely manger that he consider himself that the king of the Jews couldn't born this. So. That was Herod, you know, Herod the king.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Now him slew all the people him after when Jesus born.
Mm-hmm.
He couldn't find him.
Mm-hmm. So you read well.
You see it?
You read. You do your reading.
Yes, man. Yeah, man.
Know your scriptures.
So whatsoever things we are doing now, we are earthly people. We have to cooperate with the earthly love that Jesus bring to us, you know. The Son, the foundation Son, Jesus.
Mm-hmm.
He is the foundation, the heavenly babe. You there shall find.
Mm-hmm.
To human, are we, you know, to view this place. All meanly wrapped in swaddling band in a manger lay.
Mm-hmm.
Remember when he crucified? It was earthquake shook. For they say he wasn't the Son of God, you know.
Mm-hmm.
8-hour darkness was upon the face of the earth. And when him show the people him the light that him bring, the people him, one and few, remember, answer well them, this man must be the Son of God.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Because the earth shook and trembled and the trees removed and find back in space. The temple where them are worship was mashed in pieces and melt.
So what do you think about today's religion?
Today religion, 52 nations, and everyone carry a different story.
Mm-hmm.
Translation. So you have to believe in yourself, same as how the scripture tell you. If you believe that this man is the Son of God, he's the door of life, Jesus.
Bring the light.
He's the door of life.
Mm-hmm.
Anyone come through this door, he shall be saved.
Mm-hmm.
We are going to a city, you know, my brethren. I don't know if you read so far.
Mm-hmm.
It having 12 gates,
Mm-hmm.
but is one city, one God, one light shine for us all.
Mm-hmm.
That is Jesus. It is the New Jerusalem.
Mm-hmm.
This city is called the New Jerusalem.
Mm-hmm.
Where the maker, the creator, bow the heaven and bring it down here for us, his handmaid.
Mm-hmm.
We are not spiritually made, you know.
Mm-hmm.
We are handmade
Mm-hmm.
people.
Mm-hmm.
The spiritual people are the angel, cherubim, seraphim, and all those men that are in heaven. The speaker was the creator. He speak and it was done.
Mm-hmm.
But we are the handmade people.
Mm-hmm.
His hand. That's why he loves us so much. That he bowed the heavens above heaven and brought forth this city which is called the New Jerusalem. So people say them are go to heaven. Now when you're traveling, you see any road showing towards heaven. You go in a plane, you come down pan land. You go in a ship, you come down pan land. But there's a road to Mount Zion, where this beautiful city is. A man see it and write it that you can see it, you read it and know, you know. It isn't a thing say, it's a dream. It is written. 12 gate, one city, one God, one light shine for us all. The light of this world is Jesus, the foundation son. So that's why I should say, sometimes you see me sit down here, me caught a vision where no one don't caught that vision. And when them come on me and them talk society people, you know, they say they will come back again, but then they don't come back. Because the words them that I speak, it's so troublesome to them mind and heart that then say me I change them from God, go to heaven. But me assure you the right that you don't take that road. Because there's no road, my brethren, leads you to heaven. It's on the sky, you see. No matter where you want going. Because, all right, you have one man who say, in Russia, same study the heights, him go through a space where he make me a spacecraft. Space is a thing like this. Anytime you go to space, you can go up and down, you know, that space. And him go through space. When him go through space, when he go and land, he don't have enough gas, he don't have enough oil. He don't know what people are going to book up on. He don't, you see? So sometimes it's just a foolish idea. Like how you just see a show, right?
Yeah.
And your idea, this show, say, well, this show could be good, but it's just a picture.
So now you're saying heaven is right here, but through the teachings of Christ, you can have the consciousness to live through heaven right now.
Right now.
Right now.
We are all in heaven.
Right now.
You see, what the word, why it is called the New Jerusalem. The people them think of Jesus. Say Jesus come from heaven and Jesus gone back to heaven. So them are going to look for Jesus. But Jesus don't gone back to heaven. Jesus gone to this new preparing place, the New Jerusalem.
On earth.
In Mount Zion.
Mount Zion.
And Mount Zion is there. So there's a road to Mount Zion.
Yes, sir.
But there's no road to heaven, man.
I see. I get it.
You see it? So you don't have no chariot to say, I go carry you to heaven. But this the Son of God, he don't make with wings, so that's why he walk with us.
I see.
He don't leave us unconscious. He carry us all through the day with us. He don't fly well left with no time. Anywhere you hear him go and preach and teach, I walk foot, my brethren.
Yes.
But he don't have no wing, but he have power over wing, you know. Yes. Remember when he crucified and going to Mount Zion to his father, the Galilean them see him. He said, why he man of Galilee standing gazing at I? I shall come again in likewise manner the same God don't change at all. So that's why the people them say them are go fly if you go with Jesus there. But then they know say Mount Zion is gone. For it is the New Jerusalem to be the handmaid. And that the people them now realize that we are the handmade people, you know, we are not spiritually made, my brethren. Spiritual people, God, the Creator, speak and it was done. We are his handmaid, come from the dust to the clay to the breath of life.
Yes. Wisdom.
You see? So sometimes you caught a vision and when you wake up, you think of it too. You say, boy, I was in Norway last night and I see my brother and my father-in-law and my mother-in-law and so. Is it true, you know? You come and you see them, but you can't talk to them because it's a vision. You see, I know letter writing, phone talk is a vision. So that's why sometimes you have to check the people them in the society now and to hear them decision towards heaven and earth and towards the God that them serve.
Got it. So what you're saying, if they raise their level of consciousness on earth right now, they can too go to Mount Zion, where the Most High live.
You see it? You see it? So
So
that's
them might wait till them dead. But them not for wait till them dead.
But if you read, there is no dead one in heaven, you know, my brethren.
Oh, okay.
No dead. Everyone is alive because it's spiritually made.
Yes.
So no dead one, no dead.
Mm-hmm.
I read a portion. If everyone goes down in the grave, who give thanks to God? Just think of that small version. If everyone should go down into the grave, who give God thanks, the Creator?
Nobody.
No one. And Him is the life giver.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So there must be someone. So how can you know within yourself that you is not one of those kind of children who are going to see the Messiah again? You see?
Mm-hmm.
So sometimes it is a hard thing to learn and to know, but the revelation of God is with His children that He love so much. He teach you and He keep you and He guide you and He protect you.
Mm-hmm.
The things that you don't know, you hear it again
Mm-hmm.
and you learn it.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Remember, there was wise man with Herod, you know.
Mm-hmm.
When the wise man come, the wise man travel with a star. The shepherd travel with the angel. The shepherd know where the sun was, you know, before the wise man, you know. The angel of the Lord came down and glory shine around. The angel said, "Fear not, said he, for mighty dread. I come to cease all troubles mine. Great joy I bring to you and all mankind. To you in David town this day is born of David line, a Savior who is Christ the Lord, and this shall be a sign. The heavenly babe you there shall find, to human view this place, all mingly wrapped in swaddling band in a manger laid." That's why King Herod said, Jesus couldn't be the king of the Jews, because the king of the Jews couldn't born in a manger. As they later when them go pay taxes, you know, the man who look about the horses and things. That's why they call that place the manger. So King Herod said him couldn't born it. So when he go back to feed him, man, for him wise man asked him, say, "There is it? A king should really born the king of the Jews." Them say, "Yes. But who is the mother and the father? Them don't get that revelation. And where him going to born, them don't get that revelation." But the wise man, when the stars stopped and stood over the horse stable at this, because he stopped at King Herod yard first, you know. And when them going and ask, Herod said, "No, not that. But he must go search diligently. And when he find the child come back, he make him go give the worship to him too. But I kill him and I go kill him."
So what you say about like Selassie and them when them talking?
They are just wise man.
Yeah.
They are just wise man. You hear man say, "Selassie are God." You could own yourself as God, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Because Selassie don't make no difference from you.
Mm-hmm.
And just come from man and woman like me and you.
Mm-hmm.
You see it?
So we all have the God power now.
You see it? So when Herod heard of this, Herod was in fear. The whole Jerusalem, according to how I read, the whole Jerusalem was in fear, for knowing that a king went to born. So then say, if a king of the Jews born, he might go take away all what them have now. For though him was the king of the Jews, you know, Herod, but him don't have that power of knowledge to know who is God. Him only have the name. You see, that's why he's so wicked that he started to kill the young picnic them from 2 year to 5 year old. The woman having one son. Oh God, he say, "It's Uncle Moses one. Get away." It's Uncle Moses one in that barn time, get away, you know. You read? Moses' mother was told that he must make a basket and after when the King, soon tell you, King Herod have plenty daughter but no son. So King Herod's wife now go to the river Nile and bathe every morning. So Moses' mother now bring that basket. And Miriam, the sister, was watching it while the woman sent him maid. And when he come and see this nice basket with this pretty little boy, the boy was a Hebrew. But you couldn't doubt the killer saying wouldn't kill him. It's a blessing.